Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord Buds 2. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of your earbuds. In the beginning, take a look at the charging case, and once the earbuds are inside of the charging case, open the lid. Now this LED light indicates the battery level of the earbuds. Take them out of the charging case. Now close the lid, and now you can see the battery level of the charging case. Alternatively, you can install the HeyMelody app and check battery level of your charging case and earbuds inside the app. Also, on the Android phone you can check battery level of your earbuds via Bluetooth settings. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.